Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. The topic of my presentation is lightweight aggregate concrete. These are the presentation outlines uh, in which it includes introduction, classification of lightweight concrete, literature, crux regarding lightweight concrete, cost and its uses, advantages and disadvantages, testing on lightweight aggregate concrete, and references. Now, what is lightweight aggregate concrete? Lightweight concrete can be defined as the concrete of considerably lower unit weight than that made from gravel and crushed stones. A normal concrete has a density of about 150 pound per cubic feet, while lightweight aggregate concrete has a density of about 90 to 115 pound per cubic feet. Aggregate accounts for 60 to 70% of the total volume of the concrete. If you see that in concrete mix, 60 to 70% of the portion is of the aggregate, and the rest is of sand and fine aggregate and water and cement. Concrete aggregate contributes, coarse aggregate contributes about 50% weight to the concrete because it has a more portion of concrete in the more portion of coarse aggregate in the concrete. Now, cubic stone is a stone which is known as lightweight aggregate. Cubic stone is used in the washing mills, and then it is the residual. It is basically the residual from the washing mills, which they pour in the sanitary landfills and dump over there. So we can use it as a lightweight aggregate concrete. Now, classification of lightweight aggregate concrete. Lightweight concrete can also be classified on the purpose for which it is used, such as structural lightweight concrete, non-load bearing concrete, or insulating concrete. Literature crux. If from the literature reviews, it can be concluded that different research work that used in different research work they used pumice stone, palm shell oil, and cylinder aggregate as a partial replacement of coarse aggregate. The maximum compressive strength is achieved by replacing aggregate for 25 to 30%, and by further replacement, the strength decreases. If you add 20 to 25 to 30% of the lightweight aggregate concrete in the replacement of the natural concrete, it will give you maximum compressive strength. But if you increase or decrease the amount from this 25 to 30%, it will automatically decrease the strength of the concrete. By 25% replacement of pumice stone, the pumice stone means lightweight concrete. Lightweight aggregate. The concrete can be used for structural purpose, and by increasing the percentage of aggregate, the concrete can be used for non-structural elements like precast bars and columns and just like that. Now, in perspective of Pakistan industry, lightweight aggregate can be brought from pumice stone or washing stone is formed by the volcanic eruption due to the entrapped gases and is formed after cooling down. In simple word, when the volcanic eruption causes and by cooling down, these stones are can be taken from there. In Pakistan, it can be found at Balochistan, but due to improper blasting techniques, it is cut down to very irregular shapes, which cannot be used in a concrete. Due to its irregular shape, the textile industry in Pakistan imported it from Turkey with the economic expenditure, which is a loss to the stakeholder. While in Turkey, they have adopted a very systematic procedure for its inhalation. It means that they have a proper blasting techniques. They use proper blasting techniques. Cost and its uses. The cost difference between the import of washing stone from Turkey and Balochistan is only 15%, but due to the irregular shape of that, Balochistan stone industries are more reluctant to import from Turkey. The it used various its usage varies from garments to garments, and the ratio changes with within 2 mm to 5 mm stone is used with the ratio of 1:1. For example, 1 kg stone for 1 kg garments. As I have already told that it is a residual from the textile industry, and then that stone is used in the concrete. So that's why I am explaining these terminologies. The time for washing is between 35 minutes to 100 minutes, in which process about 80% stone is used and 20% is disposed of. Now come to the lightweight aggregate advantages and disadvantages. It can be used as fertilizers due to the vacuum present in it. It gets maximum with the soil. In its component are alkaline. It is the combination of magnesium, calcium, and aluminum by some percentage. Major drawbacks of pumice stone is lightweight stone in construction industry is that it is porous and have vacuum in its body, due to which it absorbs moisture. As it is not a dimensional solid, so it breaks down when pressure is applied to it. Different testings are done on lightweight concrete. For example, sieve analysis and fineness modulus, specific gravity, water absorption, moisture content, aggregate impact value, aggregate abrasion value, aggregate crushing value, and elongation and flakiness index. These are some references from where I got this. I made this presentation, and I made the literature review as well. Thank you.